Already made a purchase and wish you had used Klarna? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Klarna's Pay Now feature to add existing purchases to your Klarna account from a physical receipt. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This powerful feature lets you bring the flexibility of Klarna to almost any in-store purchase you've already made, usually within 24 hours. First, you'll need the physical receipt from your purchase. Open the Klarna app and navigate to the Shopping tab. Look for the camera or Shop in-Store icon, which activates the receipt scanning feature. Take a clear, well-lit photo of your entire receipt within the app. Klarna's technology will automatically read the merchant name, date, and total purchase amount. The app will then present you with the option to add this purchase to your Klarna account. You can choose to pay it off immediately or, if eligible, split the total into 4 interest-free payments. A crucial pro tip: this feature is best for stores that are already Klarna partners. There may be a minimum purchase amount, and it must be used soon after the original transaction. It's perfect for those "I should have used Klarna" moments. And just like that, you can add payment flexibility to purchases you thought were final. It's like having a second chance at a smarter payment plan. Have you ever used the receipt scanning feature after regretting a full upfront payment? Share your story below. For store owners, subscribe for our next video on how to set up Klarna at your point of sale. Thanks for watching.